Hello, welcome to Jesklose Tech Online, a step-by-step experience with MATLAB. Jesklose Tech Online is personal initiative of Jethro Gund, a registered graduate electrical and electronics engineer, and Nelson Kiprotich, an analytical chemistry expert. They are currently pursuing their masters in nuclear science at the Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology, University of Nairobi, Kenya. Are you a researcher? Do you have a company and you have data that you like to analyze statistically? Are you a PhD, master's or bachelor's degree student wondering how you are going to analyze your project data? We at Jesklose Tech Online have a solution for you. MATLAB offers great toolboxes to analyze your data statistically with few lines of code. We at Jesklose Tech Online are dedicated to give you a great experience with your data analysis beyond similar analyses by Microsoft Excel. We offer professional scientific analysis and modeling of data in MATLAB. In the remaining part of the video, Jethro briefly shows what MATLAB data analysis toolbox can do.
The toolbox provides interactive tools and command line functions for fitting data, curves, and surface to data. The tool seeks to interactively explore relationships between data, generate predictive models, and conveniently used for sharing your fit. Post-processing analysis options include prediction and forecasting, calculating intervals and derivatives, or estimating confidence levels. Interactive tools let you load your data from MATLAB workspace, choose between regression, interpolation, smoothing algorithms, generate a fit, and evaluate the quality of the resulting fit using metrics on R-squared and validation error. You can apply more sophisticated analysis techniques, for example, multiple fitting algorithm for the same data, use the residual plot to evaluate the quality of the fit, exclude outliers from your dataset. It is easy to repeat an analysis with a new dataset. You can perfect your analytic technique using an interactive fitting tool. Use the generate code option to generate a code just like this one. Then use this function to replicate the same analysis on the new dataset and process large numbers of datasets. Alternatively, you can generate a fit using interactive tools, export this model to MATLAB workspace, and use the model propose processing analysis. For example, you can generate a surface plot of your model with a single command. Use the model for forecasting and calculate an interval or a derivative.